In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and connect your Stripe account to your Treehouse account. We're going to navigate to the settings under the top right-hand dropdown under your name and go to the billing information section. This will then give you the option to connect your Stripe account, where you would go ahead and click on that connect button. And it will open up a new window, and all you need to do is follow the steps of the Stripe account setup that Stripe has outlined for you. When you are setting up a Stripe account, you can either log into an existing Stripe account, or when you're going through this process, it will automatically create a new Stripe account for you. Please note that you will need to include additional information to confirm your business account for your Stripe. And the reason that we do need to connect a Stripe account for Treehouse is so that you are able to collect payment for your services online, giving your clients an easier way to pay for their services and invoices. And that is how you go ahead and connect your Stripe account.